project, that is register form, where the input field will validate the value whether it matches the pattern that you are expecting. In the first part of the video we will make the project. Later I give you some fundamentals about React. Now I give you some fundamentals about ReactJS that we used in building this page. Here we import the use state from React library. This use state will set up some data to the component. Whenever the data changed within the component will be re-rendered on the screen. When we call the function use state, it returns two things. The first one is data, and the second is the function that is used to change that data. Here I declared five variables here: name, email, phone, and password, and one more is person. All these four are string values, and the person is the object value. So it is initiated with the object literals. And whenever you give the some value here, that will be stored as a default in variable. And in the input element, whenever the user changes the value in the input field, this event will be triggered. This set name function will set the value to the name variable what the user has entered in the name field. And similarly all the input elements are added with the on change trigger. Similarly, all the input elements are added with the some event triggers on change. And at last, with the button element, we added the on click event listener. Whenever user click on the register button, this function will be triggered, and this will set the person variable with the object name with the input values, email, phone number, and the password. And in the lower box we check whether the person object is set or not, whether the key values is there or not. When there is no key and the value, it will be set to 0, and this part of the code will be on the screen. When the key values are set, the name of the person name, person email, person phone number, and person password will be displayed on the screen. This completes the React logic. Do like this video and subscribe my channel for the further updates. Thank you.